Today I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube videos from Android phone. So let's get started. For this you have to go to your Chrome browser. Then here in the Chrome browser you have to search for the youtube.com. Now hit on the search button and here you have to select the YouTube Studio. Once you click on this link it will open this interface. Now at this interface you have to click on the continue to studio button. Then you have to click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Here you can switch your account and select that account that you want to delete. After selecting your account, now you have to click on the gear icon at the bottom left side. Now at this interface you have to select the channel section. Now I'm going to click on the advanced settings. Now at this interface you have to scroll down and go to the option remove the channel content. Now at this interface you have to enter your password to continue this process. Once I have entered my password, now I will select I want to permanently delete my content. Once I selected this option, now at this interface I will check all these boxes and then select delete my content option. So once I will select this option, my content will be deleted from YouTube. So that's how you can delete your YouTube channel on Android.